A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to my English class. Dear students, we had already started our poem Robin in our previous class. Today we are going to learn exercises based on Robin poem. So let's go. Dear students, please open page number E19. We are going to solve question number 1, true or false. But before that, we are going to recite the poem once again. Dear students, first we will revise the poem in short, then we will recite the poem. Okay? This poem is about a beautiful red robin that sings sweetly through all the seasons of the year. The poem also teaches us to be patient, for winter always goes away and spring comes back. Right, children? So, children, we are going to recite the poem. So, open page number E18 from your English literature book. And children, please keep your finger on the line and try to read with me. Okay? Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks for summer. He sang with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. In the cold and wintry weather, still we hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. When the spring come back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. Now students, we are going to learn true or false. So please open page number E19. Question number A. Write T for true or F for false. Okay. First one is the robin sang sadly. The robin sang sadly. Okay. True or false? It's false. So in the box you have to write F. Okay. Next, in summer the days were bright. In summer the days were bright. And answer will be true. Please write over there T. Third number, there are fruits for everyone in the autumn days. Third, there are fruits for everyone in the autumn days. And answer will be true. Fourth, in wintry weather we do not hear the robin song. Fourth, in wintry weather we do not hear the robin song. And answer will be false. Fifth one, the robin sang with all his might. The robin sang with all his might. And answer will be true. Dear students, we are moving forward and question number B. Answer the following questions. Okay. First question. Name the 4 seasons in the order that they are mentioned in the poem. First question is, name the 4 seasons in the order that they are mentioned in the poem. And answer, summer, autumn, winter and spring are the 4 seasons mentioned in the poem. First answer is, summer, autumn, winter and spring are the 4 seasons mentioned in the poem. Second question, what does the robin say in? Second question, what does the robin say in? Question A, summer. Question A, summer. And answer will be thanks for summer. Answer, thanks for summer. Next is B, winter. Next, B, winter. And answer will be, there are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. B's answer is, there are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. C, autumn. C, autumn. And answer will be, somebody must sing or winter will seem long. Answer, somebody must sing or winter will seem long. D. Spring. D. Spring. And answer will be I told you so. I told you so. Next question. Question number 3. Find rhyming words from the poem. Find rhyming words from the poem. Bright, might. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. M-I-G-H-T, might. B. Days, praise. D-A-Y-S, days. P-R-A-I-S, praise. C. Song, long. S-O-N-G, song. And L-O-N-G, long. D. So, go. S-O, so. And G-O, go. We done with our rhyming words. And the next question is horse. Dear students, please look at on page number E19. Name any one activity that you do during summer, winter, autumn and spring. Dear students, you write answer in your English notebook and send the picture to me. Okay? Children, learn the poem Robin, and that's all for today. In the next period, we will learn new lesson number 3, and the name of the lesson is travel plans. Okay? Goodbye. Thank you.